Mirrors to enhance interiors in your house. Hello friends, using mirrors as an accessory and artwork in the interiors is becoming a trend these days. In fact, convex mirrors in different frames and artwork styles are very much in vogue these days. You have a range of mirrors for the different spaces to suit accordingly. Using mirrors to create a sense of more space is a trick of interior designing, and their use in decorating is making a big comeback. Mirrors help to give a sense of greater space by reflecting light, thus brightening a room, and the reflection of the room also fools the eye and the viewer's senses. Mirrors play a very interesting as well as an important role to enhance the beauty of interiors. To make a smaller area appear more spacious, a full-sized framed mirror placed behind your couch or sofa will make your space appear more dramatic yet spacious. Dark rooms often give a sense of less space and crowding in. Such rooms can benefit from the good positioning of a mirror or series of mirrors. You may do in this manner, like, place a mirror on the wall that is opposite to the window. This will reflect incoming light and help to brighten the room with more of the light and charm into it. To come out of some very casual and disturbing designing problems like expanding walls, amplifying light, breaking up visual clutter, etc., mirrors can be used to solve most of any design dilemma. Perfect use of mirrors can bring up with extremely soft and suitable design solutions, like using a large floor-length mirror behind a piece of furniture in tight spaces gives a spacious feel. Placing a mirror behind a light source can improve illumination effects. Create another window by placing a mirror next to it or across from the real deal to get pleasant outdoor views, as well as reflection maximizes the effect of natural light. Incorporate a mirror into a salon-style art wall, on a patterned wall, or into a shelf arrangement to get the super beauty of the space. Mirrors incorporate easily with any kind of design and overall decor, providing it an amazing outcome and elegance. Mirrors have a variety of uses in the home, such as reflecting light, opening up space, and generally enhancing the decor and design of the room. Mirror size, variety of mirrors, number of mirrors to be placed in one room, etc. Such things should be picked according to the room size, shape, overall decor, number of accessory placements, and wall colors. You need to consider all these factors as well before you make an immediate decision to place a mirror in your interiors. Maximize a room's style with a well-placed mirror framed in a well-decorated and aesthetic material. Adorn your interiors with a pure reflection of mirrors around. Use decorative mirrors especially in living rooms and bedrooms for instant and easy beautification of the room. Perfect placement of two or more mirrors in the same space can brighten up the charm of the space. It might be tempting to hang up a mirror to cover empty wall space, but make sure it's reflecting something that's worth looking at. Let your interiors reflect with the best you have in your spaces. It's time to uplift your way of styling and design in an effortless yet tactful manner. Mirror your world. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.